Over 85% of consumers search online before even setting foot in a store. This means that consumers are going online to businesses' websites, directories, and search engines before they even come close to entering the physical store. So isn't it just as important for a local business to have a great online presence? One that allows customers to find them with ease? With our software, we help you create a strong foundation for your digital reputation. We help build your online presence to improve search engine rank and make sure your business information is correct across the web. This ensures customers will always be able to find you online and on the street. You could do all of this on your own, but why would you spend more than 300 hours a year working on this? You have a business to run. Save time and put our software to work for you.